Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring you're in the right account and connected to the internet. Backups run only when photos can reach Google. Open the Google Photos app and tap your profile icon at the top right to reveal account options. Once done, select Photos settings and then back up and sync to get directly to the control you need. You're taking control now, so make sure you don't skip selecting the account if multiple accounts appear. This determines which library stops syncing. Now toggle off Backup and Sync. This immediately stops new photos from uploading. Next, tap Backup Device Folders and turn off any folders you don't want synced, like screenshots or WhatsApp images, because Google backs multiple folders separately. Make sure to check Upload over mobile data and disable chores like photos or videos on cellular if you prefer Wi-Fi only. If you want to pause rather than disable, use the paused on battery saver notification. This gives temporary suspension without changing settings. To finish, confirm there are no pending uploads visible in the app. If uploads continue, clear the Photos app cache or force stop it in system settings, then reopen and recheck the backup and sync toggle. If the setting resets, sign out of the Google account or remove the account from device accounts temporarily. This severs sync until you sign back in. One key troubleshooting tip: if backups persist after these steps, reboot the phone and revisit backup device folders. Sometimes persistent services need a restart to honor the new setting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.